For crypto investors and hodlers who don't click around a whole bunch with their money, all you need right now for the overall market, crypto market sentiment and Bitcoin direction is 2 lines. And you need to know roughly what to think between the 2 lines and outside of the 2 lines. It's very, very simple. I will go more in depth on this on my video tomorrow, but for my weekend Sunday video, here's the 2 lines you need to be looking at. You have 47K and 57.9. You probably need to draw these on your chart, particularly if you're a hodler, okay? So if you're somebody who doesn't click around and try to trade very often, until a daily closure happens above this line, there's really not much to talk about in terms of short-term bullishness. Can you talk about, adoption and long-term bullish stuff? Yes, but most of the noise on Twitter that's bullish, even my noise, I'm guilty of this too. I'm a content creator. I'm going to create content no matter what is happening, even if it's boring. I will attempt to make it less boring, particularly Katie. And in those moments, I'm particularly catering to people who want to click around with their money, because I zoom in on things like 5-minute charts or something like that, because a lot of people are here to practice trading. But for the hodlers and people who are more like investors, okay, if you just want to know, hey, what is going to happen next? Well, right now, it's in no man's land. There's really not much to think about until one of these levels is broken. And so this will help you avoid, if you are somebody... If you're somebody who's not clicking around trying to make, 10% profits on a good trading day, or like 2 to 10% profits, and you're here for hodling, this might be a time to take a break from, staring at the charts regularly. Maybe just check it before night and kind of reset those emotions within your head of crypto. Like, just take a break from it. Not as in you don't listen to crypto at all in a day. I'm not necessarily saying that, but if you're a hodler / investor who doesn't actually click, then that means your eyes don't need to be on the chart every hour or something like that. You don't need to be doing it until one of those. So set an alert on your chart. And it's really easy to set alerts. Just Google. I'm not going to step you through it here. Set an alert. One for 57.9 and one for 47K. And if your alert doesn't go off, that means there's nothing happening. And so the reason I'm making this video is because a lot of my viewers coming here, they don't really care about learning how to click around with their money. They just want to know the general direction. Well, right now it's no man's land. There's not much to talk about. So set an alert and then come back to, looking at charts 5, 8, 80, 800 times a day if one of those alerts goes off. And that's the best thing I can give you. And again, tomorrow on my video, I'm going to go more in depth on this, what each of these levels mean, and I'll break it down into smaller pieces of the cake. And then, that's it. So happy Sunday. Don't stare at the charts too much. There's really not a whole lot to do right now unless you're on the 5-minute time frames or maybe hourly time frames. Go get some more sleep, take a nap. We'll see you later.